What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about a new set of microphones, a set of budget friendly microphones from Godox. At the beginning, let me show you clearly, I have both the two different set of Godox microphones. One is Godox WEC Kit 2, another is Godox WES Kit 2. Yeah, they also have a Kit 1 edition. Kit 2 variant comes with two microphones, so we can go stereo mode, we can do a lot of different things, we can do interviews, and yeah, Kit 2 is actually for a multi-person setup. If you don't need to record multiple sound sources, then yeah, definitely you can go for the single kit edition. The difference between WEC and WES is WES comes with a receiver which is compatible with phones and tablets because it can be attached to any USB-C port and bang, it will start working. The engineers of Godox also have developed their own application to support this WES edition, but if you want wider connectivity, if you are going to use your microphone with a DSLR camera or with a mirrorless camera or with many other different devices which comes with a 3.5mm input port, then you should go for the WEC variant. At this moment, I am using the WEC variant, and when I go outside with my girlfriend Rachel and do some shorts, then I use the WES variant. So depending on your device, gadget or use case scenarios, you may go for any of these two. Well, before we move forward, there is another thing I need to mention. The WES actually has two different variants. One is USB-C variant and another is Lightning variant. So yeah, if you really want to use the Lightning edition, you can go for that too. Both the WEC Kit 2 and the WES2 Kit 2 have the same price tag. They cost less than $100 US. It is actually $99 US. And the WES1 Kit 2, the Lightning variant, costs $119 US. And when I have heard the price, actually Rachel has bought these, I was like, okay, these are for budget setup, but with a camera which costs $2,000 US, with some special studio setups, we should stick to something very expensive. Anyway, Rachel has almost forced me to try these Godox microphones, and after we have used these Godox microphones for the past couple of weeks, I have only one thing to say. Don't judge a product by its price. It may have a budget price tag, but this set of microphones belongs to the flagship league. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, please like this video. And please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Let's start. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend.
You know you left me lonely, I could tell them the whole story. It may take a couple hours, I've got time, let's get to chat. How could I explain the situation? Man, it's so damn complicated. Where do I start, where do I end? I should go back to bed. I'm going back to all the basics, teaching myself now how to erase it. It's like learning a whole new language, and I'm afraid, too scared to face it. I just want consistent clarity, but all my thoughts destroying me. Some peace of mind is all I need to get peace to all of my family.
Okay. Now it's time to talk about the specifications, features and performance. Godox WEC microphone kit actually comes with two transmitters. That means it supports a dual channel. We can switch between mono and stereo by pressing the dedicated button. Moreover, it has 3 levels of sound gain with an increment of 6 dB, so we can select the gain level based on environment, surroundings and ambient noise. Talking about ambient noise, Godox WEC microphone kit comes with an intelligent noise cancellation system. We'll talk more about this noise cancellation later in this video. When I have noticed Godox claims that WEC microphone kit supports 200-meter distance, I was like, I'm never gonna put my expensive phone or camera 200 meters away from me. But actually there are some real life different type of use case scenarios where we need to shoot something from distance. So me and Rachel, we have done some distance testing. Godox WEC microphone testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, how are you? Can you listen to me clearly? Let's check the distance. I'm already 20 meters away from the receiver. So how's the sound quality? I'm almost 100 meters away from the receiver. So how's the sound quality? because I'm already far away from the camera. I can't even see the camera clearly. Rachel is holding the camera. Okay, let's go further away from the receiver. I think I'm already 150 or 160 meters away. Let me check. Yeah, Rachel has a distance meter and she says I'm already 178 meters away from the receiver. So how's the sound quality? Can you see me clearly? I can't even see the camera anymore. I'm going further away. Let's check. Microphone testing. Yeah, now I'm perfectly 225 meters away from the receiver. How good is the sound quality? Rachel is holding the camera. Let's go and find her. Where is she? Okay, each of the microphones or the transmitters are equipped with 140 mAh battery. The receiver has a bit of a bigger battery. It comes with a 200 mAh battery pack inside, and when both the microphones are in use, the microphones and the receiver provides up to 8 hours of battery life. If one single microphone is in use, the receiver actually provides more than 8 hours of battery life. The charging case comes with a 1400 mAh battery pack, so it can extend the battery life up to 24 hours. Anyway, when the battery pack is totally drained, when we need to recharge this full set, I mean the transmitters, the receiver, the charging case, it takes only 118 minutes to fully refuel the set. So it supports a very fast charging, and when it is fully recharged, it offers all day long 24 hours of battery life. In terms of compatibility, I have already mentioned, if you have a device which is compatible with 3.5mm audio input, you will be able to use Godox WEC microphone with that device. If you have a device which comes with a Lightning port or a USB-C port, then you can definitely go for Godox WES microphone kit. I personally don't care about the outlook and appearance, but I care about convenience. Each of the WEC microphones weighs around 12 grams, so you can clearly see if you stick it on your cloth, it's not gonna pull down the cloth, it's not gonna make anything ugly, and as the microphones has a very small footprint, sometimes I even forget about these microphones. After I finish recording, I walk around with the microphones on. Because these are not only small, these are also very light. One more time, the microphones weighs 12 grams. The receiver weighs 16 grams, and yeah, after side-by-side comparison, I have noticed that this is the lightest receiver that I have ever used in this studio. Talking about the lightest receiver, actually WES Kit receiver is the lightest one. Yeah, this one weighs only 7 grams. Kudos to Godox. Personally, I like the design language. Rachel also likes it, but different people prefers different type of design language. So yeah, let me know. What do you think about the design language of these microphones? In terms of build quality, I'm gonna give these microphones and the receiver along with the charging case 10 out of 10. And as the charging case comes with a LED display panel which shows the battery status, it is really an advantage over many other budget microphones. Even many other flagship microphone charging cases doesn't come with any LED panel or LCD panel. Well, Godox WEC and WES, both the microphone kits actually uses universal 2.4 GHz wireless transmission technology. It supports 48 kHz 16-bit recording, so all the details are grabbed with clarity, the voice are rich and warm, and all the different sound levels, I mean low, mid and high, all sounds crisp and clear. We not only have used these microphones for the past couple of weeks, we also have done some testing, and actually Godox WEC and WES series microphones offers unparalleled audio quality with lossless audio reproduction. Well, I have already mentioned that it's very easy to activate or enable the noise cancellation. Godox WEC series microphones offers a very good noise cancellation performance because these microphones are powered by dynamic noise reduction technology. So these microphones effectively reduces ambient noise and delivers crystal clear audio recording. Now we are testing the noise cancellation of Godox microphone. Now we are testing noise cancellation of Godox microphone. So what do you think?
To you, my friend, don't even ask, don't play pretend. You think you are everything I need, but I gotta leave.
Okay, that's all about Godox WEC microphone kit. The WES series is also the same. Actually, I have already mentioned the WES variant also comes with WEC microphone. It is the receiver which is a bit different, and there is a Godox mic companion app for this WES series. Inside the application, we can check the battery status of the transmitters, we can also check the gain level, and we can control the volume. There are 6 different levels. We can select the gain level depending on our ambient and surrounding sound. We can also select strong or weak noise cancellation. Actually, strong noise cancellation means noise cancellation enabled. Weak noise cancellation means standard noise cancellation. There is also an option to switch between amplifier. The application has a very simple user interface which is very easy to use, yet offers a lot of convenience. Oh yeah, GODOX WES1 Lightning version actually is MFi certified, so it offers optimal user experience along with ultimate performance. I've left the links of all of these GODOX microphones in the description box below. Go ahead, check the products. But before that, one request. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
To you, my friend, don't even ask, don't play pretend, cause you think you are everything I need, but I gotta leave.